Prashant Kishore hits out at RJD's Tejasvi Yadav. Nothing new in CM pick. PM Modi backs Nitish Kumar, says NDA will break all records in Bihar polls. Ashok Gehlot warns Nitish, BJP will betray you like Eknath Shinde in Maharashtra. Tejasvi Yadav says Nitish hijacked by BJP, promises clean government in Bihar. Tej Pratap Yadav rules out return to RJD, says I choose self-respect over power. Hello and welcome, you're watching Bihar Election Tracker, where every move, promise and poll battle in Bihar's high-voltage election is decoded. I'm Shubh Bhardwaj with all the latest updates straight from the campaign trail. Hours after the RJD-led India bloc named Tejasvi Yadav as its chief ministerial face for the Bihar polls, Jan Swaraj chief Prashant Kishore dismissed the announcement as expected. He mocked Tejasvi's promises and said people now have a genuine alternative in Jan Swaraj. Meanwhile, BJP's Samrat Chaudhary called the move a shameful day for democracy, accusing Lalu Yadav of imposing dynastic politics on the alliance. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the NDA's Bihar election campaign from Samastipur, asserting that under Nitish Kumar's leadership, the alliance will break all records and return to power with a massive majority. Calling Nitish the Sushasan Babu of Bihar, the PM said the entire state is echoing Fir Ek Baar NDA Sarkar. His remarks come amid opposition jibes over the NDA's CM face after the Mahagathbandhan named Tejasvi Yadav as its chief ministerial candidate. Modi also credited the BJP for Bihar's development and took a dig at the RJD, saying Jungle Raj will never return to the stage. Congress's Bihar in charge and senior leader Ashok Gehlot launched a sharp attack on the BJP for not naming a chief ministerial face ahead of the Bihar polls. Gehlot warned Nitish Kumar that the BJP might betray him after using his face for votes, just as it did with Eknath Shinde in Maharashtra. Questioning the NDA's silence on Nitish's leadership, Gehlot said the BJP's hesitation raises doubts among voters. He also accused the Saffron Party of using money, power and manipulation to win elections, while asserting that Tejasvi Yadav was the unanimous CM face for the opposition. Gehlot also added that Rahul Gandhi's recent rally has shifted public sentiment in Bihar ahead of the polls. RJD leader and India bloc's chief ministerial face Tejasvi Yadav launched a fierce attack on the NDA and CM Nitish Kumar, claiming Bihar remains poor despite 20 years of their rule. Addressing rallies in Saharsa, Darbhanga and Muzaffarpur, Tejasvi alleged Nitish Kumar has been hijacked by the Prime Minister and Home Minister Amit Shah. He vowed to provide a clean, corruption-free and employment-driven government if voted to power, promising jobs, lower LPG prices and higher pensions. Tejasvi said he would do in 20 months what the NDA couldn't in 20 years.
ED, CBI, इनकम टैक्स लगातार जो है केस मुकदमा छापा मारी, हमारे उम्मीदवारों का नामांकन रद्द करवाना, उम्मीदवारों के छापा मरवाना। बताइए, दो लोग गुजरात से आकर के बिहार चलाने का काम कर रहे हैं। बताओ सहरसा के लोगों, बिहार को बिहारी चलाएगा कि बाहरी चलाएगा? अरे बिहार को बिहारी चलाएगा कि बाहरी चलाएगा? बिहारी चलाएगा कि नहीं चलाएगा?
Lalu Yadav's elder son Tej Pratap Yadav, now leading his new party Jan Shakti Janata Dal, has firmly ruled out any return to the RJD, saying he values self-respect over political positions. Expelled from the RJD for 6 years, Tej Pratap said he would rather die than rejoin the party. Reacting to Tejasvi Yadav being named the opposition's CM face, he said it's the people who decide their leader, adding that as an elder brother, he can only bless Tejasvi, not oppose him.
और अगर इंडिया अलायंस सरकार में आ जाती है तो क्या आप ज्वाइन करने का सोचेंगे कुछ ऐसा?
नहीं नहीं, हम मरना कबूल करेंगे लेकिन उस पार्टी में दोबारा नहीं जाएंगे। हमारी अपनी पार्टी है, जनशक्ति जनता दल, उसी को हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे।
As Bihar moves closer to a high-stakes election, every moment counts. Stay with NDTV's Bihar Election Tracker as we bring you every twist from the campaign trail. This is Shubh Bharadwaj for NDTV.